Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can send HD picture on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to send a picture to my friend on Instagram. So I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right. And for instance, I'm going to send a photo to this account. So I'm going to open up the room chat and then we can click on this icon to send a photo. And I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. I'm just going to pick a random photo from here. Wait, for example, I'm going to send this photo. Okay, and if you want to set it to HD photo or high quality photo, you can click on HD symbol right here, and I'm just going to click on try it, and we can click on send. Okay, and now the HD photo has been sent to this account. Okay, that's so easy, right? You just need to select the HD and then your photo will be set to HD. Okay, and then I'm going to send a photo to my group chat on Instagram as well. For example, I'm going to send a photo to this group chat. So I'm going to open up my group chat and then we can click on this picture icon and select photo we want to send. I'm going to try video guys. Let's see whether we can send HD video or not. I'm going to choose this video for example. Oops, sorry guys, we cannot send HD video. We can only send HD photo because the HD option is not appearing. I mean, the HD option doesn't appear when I want to send HD video. When I want to send video. So we can only apply the HD to a photo. Okay, I'm just going to choose photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to send this photo. Okay, click on HD and the photo will be set to HD photo. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to send HD photo on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.